Alright, so you're kind of shy and you don't really know how to ask the question, but don't worry, I can tell you want to know how to draw a pig, and you don't know how, and you don't think you'll ever be able to do it. But don't worry, with this, after watching this, you'll be able to draw a pig, no problem. It'll be no problem at all. Trust me. If you just do what I'm doing now, and I do apologize, my mouse has been giving me some trouble. Ugh. Yeah, see? Pig has one nipple right there, apparently. That's not straight. Okay, one more try. Okay. That is actually exactly what I'm going for here. Draw the other leg in there. Oh yeah, and draw this other leg. Okay, now I just need to draw the face. Oh. No. Yeah, there we go. No, okay. Here we go. There we go, guys. You got yourself a pig there. Now we're just gonna fill it in. Obviously, the pig is going to be pink. And this is just turning out great, you guys. There's one happy looking pig. Alright. Now you know. All the questions are answered.